Today we got a video from the crime piece, and the title of the video is Stripper Steals Customer's Necklace, Then Police Show Up.
My telephone! No! My telephone!
At 3:50 a.m., Key West police are flagged down about a possible crime at the Red Garter Saloon Gentlemen's Club. The victim, a regular customer, told officers he had refused service from one of the dancers. Moments later, she allegedly slipped a necklace right off his neck without him noticing.
I think I'm not no, she's going over to the ATM there. She comes over here, and that's what we see it in the mirror. Looks like she's trying to take it off right there.
Yeah. Well, I can't smell it. I thought if I kept it, so I wasn't doing anything.
Oh, there it went.
Hold on. We're going to put this one on the big screen. Hold on. We got to get a close look at this. Hold on. We got to get a close look at this. Hold up.
Well, I can't smell it. I thought if I kept it, so I wasn't doing anything.
Playing with his neck. There she go right there. Oh, she popped it. Yep. Wow.
After reviewing the club's surveillance footage, officers headed to the suspect's residence.
Hold on. What the hell? This shit look... He rejected her. She wanted to kiss on him. Man, what? Off me, man. She said, I'm getting paid
After
one way or
reviewing the
another.
club's surveillance footage, officers headed to the suspect's residence.
Hey, you home? Are you home? Yeah, you Costa? Come to the door, please. Come to the door, please.
Unable to locate her at home, officers returned to the club and spotted her just a few blocks away.
Hello.
Nada.
Step over and see him.
No, nada.
You need to see him.
Nada.
Hello. You need to see him.
Hello, how are you?
I'm well. So right now what I'm gonna do
mi
is
amor.
I'm gonna place you under arrest
Yes,
for
okay.
criminal mischief.
Yes, okay.
So what I'm gonna have you do is
Yes,
you can
okay.
put your backpack
Yes,
down.
okay. Yes, okay. Pero no, nothing.
You have
No.
to talk to them.
Yes, okay. O sea, no. Nothing.
You can take your phone out.
Yes. Yes.
Put
okay.
your phone out. Put it in
Okay. No, 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 no.
No. Put it in your backpack. Put it in your backpack.
Okay. Eh?
Yes.
No. Oh, shit.
We're gonna talk to them.
No drogas. No drogas. Nothing. What is... You...
Broke it.
You...
You broke. You broke.
No. No.
That's what he says.
No, no, bro, nothing. You fuck me house, my house. You fuck me.
Whoa. She getting crazy at the crib. She bringing clients to the house. What happened?
No, nothing. You fuck me house, my house.
You me. I video you in my home. I can cameras. Okay, I can.
Come on. Yeah.
No.
Yeah, I will. I will.
No.
You get it.
No. Yes. Okay. Yes. Thank you. Gracias.
Can you turn on
understand
my camera? My in-car camera?
Yeah.
You're under arrest for criminal mischief.
I can, I can, my abogado, my boyfriend, I can, I call.
You can call him once you make it to the jail. Yeah, I got it.
I can, my boyfriend.
You can call him once you get to the jail. Here, I gotta search you first. No, stop. I gotta search you first.
Sorry. No, you, my telephone.
Right, you'll get your telephone now. Hey, turn on the front camera as well.
Okay, please.
Okay.
No.
Ma'am.
My boyfriend.
Okay. Place your stomach on that. Do you have anything on you that's gonna poke me, stick me, scratch me?
I need only, please. I need my boyfriend, please. She man, my fuck me. She hombre, she.
What do you have in your, ma'am?
Yo, no.
Ma'am.
He my
Okay.
you. Él me cogió.
Okay.
He man fuck me. He man fuck me.
Okay.
Okay? He man fuck me. He man fuck me.
Okay.
Okay, I need only.
Come on, pull on the floor. I got my female
only,
in custody.
Please, no. I only. You me.
Get in the car. Get in the car now.
You me. En mi house, cámaras. En mi casa tengo cámaras. No, necesito hablar con my telephone.
Ma'am.
No.
You're gonna get your telephone.
No.
Yes.
I need my telephone now.
No.
Yes.
No.
You let me. No. My telephone.
Okay.
No.
Ma'am, move
No.
your foot. Ma'am.
My telephone.
Ma'am.
My telephone. No. My telephone. My telephone.
When they searched her belongings, they found a large amount of single-dollar bills in her possession.
Try not to think about where this money's been.
Yo, he's out trying not to think where his money been. Like, fellas, you know, man. You know. I mean, and girls too. You know, girls be at the strip club too. You know what I mean? For sure. But yeah, man. Man, they doing anything for that dollar, boy. That dollar. Yo, she got a boyfriend. She out on the she working the strip. She bringing clients home. She getting them dollars any mean necessary. If you turn her down, she gonna rob you for your chain, everything, man. Damn, this is crazy.
Yo, work with you, so you're so funny.
You been doing this?
Yeah, but you can check it one more time.
I mean, you if you already did, then.
Oh, it's just another $6. Looked like she had some drugs on her or something. It looked like some marijuana.
The money from the strip club got some drugs in it? Well, only three.
I should probably only.
The woman was charged with robbery by sudden snatching without a firearm or weapon.
Yeah, you know, hey, $100. Damn. She made 100 that night, man. She thought she was, see, it was a slow night. She only made 100 that night. So she had to pop a chain, man. She could flip that. Yo, this is crazy here, man. This is crazy. You know, them gentlemen clubs, man. You wouldn't think that they would do things like this, right? You would always think that, you know, gentlemen clubs, a lot of times, you know, the issues come from maybe the customers, you know, maybe being too aggressive with the ladies or whatever the case may be. But listen, some of these ladies got to get it how they got to get it how they got to get it. You know what I'm saying? So they not doing right neither, man. So you could get got if you're not paying attention, if you going in there drunk, sloppy, and all of that. Yeah, you could get got. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.